How is it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a multi-species fishing challenge. Well, we want to catch about 10 fish today, 10 or more fish, and the goals are we want to catch a 10-inch plus smallmouth bass, one trout, we just want one trout, doesn't matter, a rock bass, and then a sunfish. So let's see if we can do it. Alrighty, people. So today we are going to be fishing at little creeks. And so far right now we got just a little jig on, but we're going to be fishing at little creeks. Ooh, ooh. Come on. But anyway, guys, so we're going to be fishing at these like little creeks, these aren't really backwoods. These are just more like near bridges, as you can tell over there. But they're right here, and it's pretty low. Actually, the water is freaking. Ooh, got one. Yes. What do we got here? And we're using a little jig. So okay, so that's a red breast sunfish. See if we can get you guys a good look at him. Look at that right there. Nice little red breast on just a little white jig. Well, clear and silver that looks like white in the water, but just this little jig right here. There we go. There's already one fish, so that's a good sign, because we have not been fishing here for much time at all. Caught a couple smallmouth here before. Big ones too, like pretty big. I'm not sure if we'll catch any right now because it is very, very low. Yeah, like you guys can see straight down through the water too. Like it is just insane. We're pretty much, I don't know, I guess we're technically not in a drought yet, but we're moving towards it, I can tell you. We don't get much rain. I mean, we're supposed to get a lot of rain today, and that's why we're out now, but I don't know if we will get that much. Okay, our bait's a little bit pushed up there too, so give that a nice fix there. There we go. Well, I think let's move. We already caught one here, so let's move. Alrighty, people. So we are at the next spot. And I tell you what, it is freaking low here. Really low. So we will see how this spot does. Alright guys, so we're in a new spot now. See if we can get anything. Oop, there we go. Okay, he's in a tree. This is diabolical. Okay. Ow, and it's a thorn bush, of course. Okay. So, alright. So, we got him from the tree. Ladies and gentlemen. Is that going to focus? Are you serious right now? There we go. Jesus Christ. Can it focus or no? Hello? Focus up, please. Okay, so here's our little rock bass in hindsight, but I don't know why that didn't focus. That's gonna annoy me. That's really gonna annoy me. Okay, so I'm gonna be quite honest, guys. I don't know why that didn't focus, and that really made me upset. So, yeah, that really made me upset. Not gonna lie. Alrighty. Ooh, I see one. So we found where the fish are, though. Ladies and gentlemen. They're in here, sort of. Oh, I just had another one. Where did it go? Where did he go? Where did he go? There they are. Focus. Camera. Focus. Oh, there we go. Another fish, baby. All right, there we go, baby. Now, if this doesn't focus here, I'm gonna be really upset. So, there we go. There's another freaking rock bass for us today. So we already checked that off our challenges. It was the rock bass, you know. You got big mouth. There we go. There we go. Nice little rock bass. Focused up. Look at him. Beautiful colors. Let's send him back. Catch him another day. You know, let me know if any of you guys have ever eaten a rock bass, because I've always heard it was good, and I could never really tell you because I never tried it. So, well, maybe I have tried it once. I just scared a big sucker fish, just a huge sucker fish, and I gotta fix my bait. I think we're gonna move spots because it's a little wooded here. Alrighty, everybody, we are finally at ground level. So let's see what we can do. Maybe hook into one or two here. Well, hopefully we can. Missed him. I don't know what that is. I think it's just a little thing, but I don't know. Huh. Yeah, it was a really small thing, actually. Right up there. Oh, come on. Darn it. Oh, we got one. Yes. Yes. Oh, come on. Oh my god, that's a big freaking rock bass. Wow, look at this guy. Look at him. That's a nice freaking rock bass. Beautiful colors, big old mouth. Let's get him back in there. Perfect, man. Awesome. That's an awesome little catch, always. I love catching rock bass because they actually fight. You know, they're just like, I mean, they're kind of like smallmouth. Not just like smallmouth, but, you know, they're pretty close. But, yeah. Oh, got another one. I think this is a sunny. Yes, it is. Pretty big sunny though, too. Look at that. 2 in a row, baby. That's a beautiful sunny. It's right on the same lure. You got smallmouth, as they always do, but heck yeah. 2 in a row, baby. 2 in a freaking row. That puts our fish tally to what now? 4? 4 for the day? 3 for the day? No, 5 for the day. 5. 5, yeah, 5. But, sweet. We'll keep getting in here. We'll keep catching them. I think my bait's messed up. Yep, something messed with my bait. Which is not what you like to see, but it is what happened. Yep, there we go. Man, how did it get messed up that bad though? What in the freaking world, man? That's alright. Well, I guess I'm just gonna re-rig the bait. Because, yeah. Oh, it got really messed up from the sunfish, so not quite cool at all. Pulled over, pull this side over, pull this side over, there we go. Sweet, just like that. Just like that. Yep, that's great. Right after that, now we're in a tree. Well, that's interesting. There is so much mud on that. Let's clean that off. Good God. You know, just after I fixed the bait, I had to just toss it in a freaking tree. Ah, Lord. All right, there we go. There we go. Now let's get out there. Oh, there's a smallmouth. Let's go for him. Where'd he go? Where'd that smallmouth go, man? Oh, there he is. Oh no, that's a smaller one. What the heck? Huh. It wanted no part of it. Whoa! Something just surfaced over there. Now we gotta fix our bait once again. There we go. All right. Sweet. And we're in another tree. Sweet, got it out again. We're batting 1,000 with getting them out of the trees today, so we better keep that luck going. Don't go in that mud. That would be bad. Let's check the time. Okay, good. Two pretty big fish that just went by. I don't know if they were fall fish or bass or trout. I'm not really sure. Oh, I see him again. Ooh, and that's a big bass. Where'd he go? That was a really big bass for this creek. That was like a 12-incher. Where did he go? Ooh. See how our bait's looking. It's looking all right. Just gotta fix it. Man, I really want to catch something big in here. That'd be awesome. No, that was a big freaking bass, so I'm not even gonna lie. All right, people, we're at a new spot once again. See if we can catch something. And nothing yet. I just saw a fish, so that's a good sign. We're not. Ooh, had one already. Darn it, man. Let's get back in here. You know, so I walked pretty far down from our first couple spots just to, you know, try and find some deeper holes. And I did find some. Oh, got one. Yes, already. I got one. Sweet. Yes, sir. What is it? Oh my God. We got our first smallie of the day. Look at this guy. Freaking monster of a smallie. Look at him. Awesome fish. Put him back right there, and back he goes. That lighting is gonna be freaking awful though. I can just tell you that right now. It's dark as heck out, man. It's freaking dark. But there's our first smallie of the day. That's awesome. Ooh, we keep seeing fish flash, which is you know, a good sign when you're fishing, because obviously you want to be where the fish are. But yeah, I keep seeing more fish flash over here. I haven't seen this many fish at a spot, but I really wish I would have caught those big bass at the one spot. I don't know if it picked it up on camera, but they were quite big actually. It's a little maddening that they wouldn't bite. All right. Oh, got one. What is this, sun? Oh, had to get him through those weeds. There we go. We might be in the honey hole now, boys. Let's see if we can get some light here. There we are. Nice little sunny. Awesome fish, man. Send you back. Sweet. Now we're crushing them, ladies and gents. I think we're up to 7 fish, and you know, let's try to get a 10 fish total today. Let's try to do that. God dang it, dude. There's a bunch of little smallmouth in here, I think. What the heck was that? Head up here. There we go. All right, sweet. Let's get this back in. But I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Like, if you do, let me know. I enjoy making them. They're fun. Just let me know. I think our bait's ruined here. Yeah, it is. Okay. All right. Let's move. Man, this thing like won't move. Like, it doesn't do it justice how close I am to this thing. I'm like 10 feet away. Ah, there it goes. I don't know if you can see this, guys, but there's like 4 or 5 just massive sucker fish right there. They're so big, actually. They're huge, and they're all together. Crazy. Alrighty, here we go. We switch baits. We're on to a cheap little, like, crayfish lure. See if we can catch a bass or anything that's in here. Let's get it in. Alright, nothing so far. Nothing. Nothing, man. Sucks. Nope, in the tree. Okay. Okay. Alright, at least you have her bait though. Okay. Sweet. Come on. How did we get stuck on the one freaking leaf that is in? Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, we'll try one under the bridge, I guess. Let's check over here. I'm not seeing him anymore. And that's on the bridge. Sweet. Oh, oh my God. No way. I got one. Rock bass, I think. Yep, rock bass it is. No way, bro. That's crazy. I freaking go one time under the bridge. Look at him. Sweet.